What's going on, guys? Andrew Superswag here, and I just bought this drone off of a site called Tophatter, and this is a really, I don't know, probably a pretty shitty drone, TBH. We got Screwdriver 1 on there. If you guys have never been on this site before, this is called Tophatter. It's really weird. It's like a bunch of really dumb things for like stupidly low dollars, basically. And how it works is like you can bid on stuff. There's like an auction. So I figured, I just saw this random drone pop up, and I figured I would see what I can do, see what I can get for it. So it came up to it was $21 with shipping, which is what I think is what it was. I think it was $21 with shipping. Obviously, it looks like a really shitty drone. But you know, we're gonna see if it sucks or not. So here's the photos. It's got whatever that means, aerial camera. $21 plus shipping, and I was only on here for like 2 seconds, and then I just bid on it a few times. I never bought anything off this site before. Everything you can see on here is pretty much garbage. You know, there's not much really good stuff on here. Like, look, did you see that? Did you see that? That tomato slicer, you know, and then there's stuff like this, just really random stuff, really cheap. Like I said, a lot of garbage stuff. So yeah, I got that. I got this drone. I was not expecting to see a drone on there. Oh, you can get a scope. Put a scope on the drone. So yeah, so that's that. I've ordered that, and we're gonna wait to see if that arrives. And apparently, things take a really long time to ship from this website. So we'll kind of see. We'll see about that. Apparently, they say it's $903 regular, which is obviously complete bullshit. You don't even have to bid on it. You can buy it straight up for $44. So, I mean, if that's not a dead giveaway, that's not regularly $903. I don't know what is. I mean, this site, basically, they'll just, like, put a random really high price on something, and then give you the illusion like you're going to get it for really cheap. Here's another one. This came up for $2. Alright, so this one's $515 normal. So it's $3. It normally starts off like when it's really low, people will, you know, give it a bunch of bids. I figured I would just go for it, you know. I got $21 is what it maxed out at. Oh my god. LEDs for your toilet. We need to bid on that. We're going to bid on this right now. Light up your toilet. We are winning this. Let's just say that right now. We are going to win this. $180 normally. That's complete BS. There's not a lot of people on this site. As you can see, like the top ones only have like 10, 11 bids max. We are totally winning this. We're going to light up our toilet. Oh my god, this is going to be amazing. There's only 5 left. Oh my god, $10. How much do we want to pay for this? Can we check it out a bit more? But the funny thing about this website is once you win something, you don't actually have to pay for it. So what's really hilarious is you can bid people up so they'll just lose their stuff. So let's do that now. You just bid them up really high. You can wait till it gets down to like the last minute, then you can bid, and then you can just cancel the order. Which I think is hilarious. I feel like if you canceled a lot of orders in a row, they might suspend your account or something, because it's pretty obvious that that's what you're doing. So we're gonna win this, and then we're gonna cancel it. We'll probably win this one. This is about the same price that we bought ours for last time. We can get a $3 watch. Let's bid on that right to the end. This guy's gonna win it. Nope, psych, not gonna win it. But yeah, just a bunch of junk, really, honestly, is what it is. Not a lot of good stuff. Look at that. This person was transformed from a witch to a nice young lady. Wow, that's pretty neat. You can get a Spider-Man sticker. I think we'll take this bit away from this dude. Ooh, too late for that one. Wireless charger for $11. Oh my god, we won the watch. $12. $3 with $9 shipping. It's hilarious when shipping is 3 times the amount of the actual product. Okay, so here's all of our orders here. If we don't want to buy something, it's super easy to cancel it. Just click on it. Click on more, cancel order. and just select the reason why you didn't want it, because they can't force you to order it, right? Like, they can't force you to pay for it. So this is hilarious, man. Just outbid people and then just take it away from them. You got a $3 drone. You got a $4 iPad. But it's so funny how it's obviously not like the original price. Like, this is such a fake price here for these. $726. That's the same drone as I got, but mine was $903 apparently. You get a F-22. Can we bid on an F-22, please? Can we bid on that? Plus shipping and handling. Obviously, it'd be quite a lot to ship an F-22. Oh, there's a scope coming up, and you can go down. You can see what's gonna be like coming up soon. There's like some things that are starting. There's a bunch. You got a dash cam. I might actually get a dash cam, and we'll test that on the channel. But yeah, guys, that's about it. This is Tophatter. I think we're gonna make some trolling videos on this website, and when the drone finally shows up, I am totally gonna do an unboxing of that. So yeah, thanks for watching, boys and girls, and you have yourself a real nice day. Bye bye.